Welcome friends in the lecture series of Digital Electronics Made Simple. Today, second lecture, we are going to discuss about the derived logic gates. Friends, NOR gate and NAND gates are the two derived logic gates. First, we will see the NOR gate. What is a NOR gate? The logic gate which output is high when both inputs are low is called as a NOR gate. Actually, NOR gate is exactly opposite to the OR gate. When OR gate is followed by the NOT gate, then we get the NOR gate. So, to draw the diagram of NOR gate, first draw the symbol of OR gate. It has two inputs A and B. Then connect the NOT gate at its output. Then the output is complement of A plus B. So this Boolean equation is also exactly opposite to the Boolean equation of OR gate. Symbol of the NOR gate is first draw the symbol of OR gate and then connect bubble at its output. Show the inputs A and B. This is the symbol of NOR gate. Now we will see the truth table. NOR gate has two inputs and one output. A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output. And there are the four input possibilities. First input case is when A is 0 and B is 0. Both inputs are 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0 and its complement is 1. So output is 1. Second case A0, B1, then its output is 0. Third case A0, B1, then its output is again 0. And last case when both inputs are 1, then output is 0. See case number 1. When both inputs are 0, then output is 1. So according to the definition, when both inputs are 0, then output is 1. Now friends, we will see the NAND gate. What is a NAND gate? The logic gate which output is 0 when both inputs are 1. It means if any one input is 1, then its output is 1. So NAND gate is also exactly opposite of the AND gate. And when AND gate is followed by the NOT gate, we get the NAND gate. So first draw the symbol of AND gate, then connect NOT gate at its output, show the inputs A and B, then we get the output complement of A dot B. So it is a Boolean equation of NAND gate. Now truth table and symbol. So first symbol, draw the symbol of NAND gate and then connect bubble to its output. This is the symbol of the NAND gate. And truth table. Truth table of NAND gate. It also has two inputs A and B and Y output. Complement of A dot B is its Boolean equation. So there are again four cases. First, when A0, B0, then 0 into 0 is equal to 0 and complement of its is 1. So A0, B0 output is 1. Second, A0, B1 output is again 1. Third case, A1 and B0 output is again 1. And last case, both inputs are 1, then output is 0. So according to the definition, when both inputs are high, then output is low. So it is a NAND gate. Now we will see why NOR gate and NAND gates are called as the universal building block or universal logic gates. Friends, you know there are the three basic types of logic gates: OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. So using NOR gate or using NAND gate, we can construct or we can make all basic gates. So they are called as the universal building block. First we will see how the NOT gate can be constructed using the NOR gate. For this, draw the symbol of NOR gate. Then connect both input together and apply the input A. So its output is complement of A plus B, that is equal to complement of A, because using De Morgan's theorem we can write A plus A is equal to A. Now second, how OR gate is constructed using the NOR gate. OR gate using NOR gate. For this, first draw the symbol of NOR gate, show the A and B input. So its output is complement of A plus B. Then to this output connect the NOT gate using NOR gate. So this is the NOR gate. Two inputs are together and becomes NOT gate. So its output is double complement of A plus B. Then complement gets cancelled and we get the output A plus B, which is the Boolean equation of OR gate. It means it is the OR gate. And last, how the AND gate is constructed using the NOR gate. Friends, first take the complements of both inputs. So draw the NOT gate using NOR gate. Hence we get the A complement at the output of NOT gate. Similarly, we get the B complement output at the output of second NOT gate. And then apply both these inputs to the NOR gate again. Hence we get the output complement of A complement plus B complement. And according to De Morgan's theorem, complement of sum is equal to product of complement. So we can write double complement of A into double complement of B. So complement gets cancelled and we get the output A dot B, which is the logic equation of AND gate. Now basic logic gates using the NAND gate. First we will see NOT gate using NAND gate. Here draw the symbol of AND gate, connect both inputs together and apply the A input. So we get the output complement of A into A. According to Boolean's laws and theorem, A into A is A. Therefore, the output is complement of A, which is the Boolean equation of NOT gate. Second, AND gate using NAND gate. How the AND gate can be constructed using NAND gate. Draw the symbol of NAND gate. Show the inputs A and B. We get the output complement of A dot B. Then connect the NOT gate using NAND gate. So we get the output double complement of A dot B. Complement gets cancelled and we get the output A dot B, which is the Boolean equation of AND gate. And last, construction of OR gate using NAND gate. To make the AND gate, the OR gate, first take the complement of both inputs A and B using NOT gate constructed using NAND gate, and then both inputs are applied to the AND gate again. Therefore, we get the output complement of A complement into B complement. Then, according to the De Morgan's second theorem, complement of product is equal to sum of complements, so we get double complement of A plus double complement of B. Double complement gets cancelled and we get the output A plus B, which is the Boolean equation of OR gate. Thank you, friends.